Do it. Do it. Let me see. Look.
Though you'd never know it now, for a long time, especially after Dawson's Creek, Michelle tried to rid herself of these sexy images. Quote, I saw all the negative attention and connotations that come along with that, and that those things can keep people from seeing it clearly. With time, she learned to embrace it, saying, quote, when you hit your 30s, you feel you can be sort of as for the